and John Gelato reporting on food at California Disney Adventure. Christmas has officially taken over the park. Everywhere I turn, a Christmas dish, a snack, a sweet treat. So in this video, we're going Christmas taste testing and seeing what's worth it or what's something just to skip. Let's have a jolly time here at DCA. Woo!
Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is
Okay, the first stop of the day had to be Grandma's recipes. Today, she's cooking up some barbacoa tamales, cute desserts, and coffee. So first up, this is the Café de Olla cold brew. It's got Joffrey's Mexican coffee with condensed milk. And it has a piloncillo syrup. Basically, that's Mexican brown sugar. And it's topped with a dulce de leche cream. And on top, there's a little snack, a pan dulce. Oh yeah, this is very intense. You're getting clove, cinnamon, I feel like. And it is actually kind of a lot of sweetness you can taste. Now let me try the red bread. Whoa. Okay, it's a little dry, but when you dip it in the drink, and since the drink is actually kind of sweet, it works as a little snack. Yeah, I think this will be mine. Okay, so this is what Granny has been cooking up all day. This is the barbacoa tamale. It's topped with a tomatillo salsa and some sour cream. And I like how they have the corn husk for presentation. If you never had a tamale, it's basically a corn dough and they stuff meat inside it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Granny did a good job with this one. Good job, Granny. This one has a lot of meat in it, has a little spice to it. A little tingle on your tongue, which I like. Corn dough, the masa, has a nice corn flavor and it's very soft. And the green salsa kind of wakes everything up and makes everything dance. This is really good. For a tamale in a park, this is top notch. Also from Grandma's recipe is the cookie dough yulog. I've been seeing this in a lot of photos and I've been eyeing this item, so I'm super excited to try it. Shaped like a little piece of firewood, but covered in chocolate and with a little Mickey on top. And inside is the cookie dough filling. Cheers! It's actually really good. It's super soft, and then boom, you get that cookie dough filling. Then the chocolate cake and the chocolate all on top. It's very chocolatey. Overall, it's very fun, very festive. I approve.
Hey everybody, come cheer. It's Mickey's Happy Holidays.
Okay, so next up, I stopped off at Favorite Things booth. I just love that name. And I'm really excited for this one. It's braised pork belly adobo with garlic rice. And look at this pork belly. It's like glistening in the sun. And the garlic rice, it smells so fragrant. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That pork belly just melts in your mouth. It's tangy, savory, and so fatty. And that garlic rice is not skimping on the name. It has a strong garlic taste. Honestly, I could eat a bowl just of the rice by itself. Love how the pork melts onto the rice, and the rice, that garlicky flavor, also transfers to the pork. This might be a contender for best dish so far. It's really good. Next up, the sticky toffee pudding macaron. And I had to get this because look at Mickey's face. He is so cute. He turns into a macaron. It's chocolate with vanilla buttercream, date cake, and salted toffee sauce. So cute. I hate that I have to destroy it, but I have to take a bite in the ear. Okay, the buttercream is super sweet. The shell is way softer than I expected. But then you do get the taste of the date cake, which is actually pretty good. The salted toffee sauce might be my favorite part. It's like sweet, but also a little salty. And what I like, this is actually a pretty big macaron.
Here with me under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho.
Okay, next up, holiday duets, and this is the booth you go to if you want mac and cheese. So this year they're offering savory Kugel mac and cheese, and it has a breadcrumb topping, and the other is an El Pastor mac and cheese. So first I'll go for the Kugel one. It's kind of like a German mac and cheese, so let's try that first. Get a nice bite, some breadcrumbs. Woo! Woo! Cheers! Right off the bat, I love how those breadcrumbs give a little crunch, a little a little more texture. The mac itself, it's nice and cooked, has a nice cheesy flavor, and the sour cream gives a little more coolness and makes everything a little more rich. And next, let's try the al pastor. I'm expecting a little more flavor punch on this one. Oh yeah, this one is definitely more meaty with the chunks of pork, and it definitely has a lot more flavor. You get even a little chili flavor. I am glad I tried both. I can't say that al pastor has a lot more flavor, but the Cuco one, I might like it better. The creaminess of it matches perfectly with that mac and cheese.
A Merry Christmas Day.
I'm in San Fransokyo. It's my first time being here, and let me tell you, you really feel like you're in the movie. I watched the movie, I love the movie, and this transports you right there in the town of San Fransokyo. And to match the feeling of the place, I had to get a boba. This is a Thai tea boba. I love boba, so I have to try it and share it with you guys. Cheers! Super sweet. It has that familiar Thai tea taste, but the boba texture is actually better than I was expecting. For theme parks, they did good. It's nice and chewy, has some texture to it, but easy to chew. The drink, you get that Thai flavor. It's very sweet, and I feel like I'm getting that sweetness from this whipped cream on the top. Yep, I like it. Okay, so my next item, you can get it at the Twist of Tradition booth, but I got this one at the Studio Catering Co. And it's a little food truck. This is a beef brisket slider, and it has a pretzel bun. Comes with a horseradish ketchup, along with some caramelized onions. I can't say this is the biggest ripoff of today. This is $9 for this, but I mean, let's see how it tastes. Cheers. Even though it is very small in size, but the taste, it's big in flavor. The brisket is actually pretty juicy, tender, not too dry actually. I was expecting it to be a little more dry, but it's not. And it's all meat, as you can see, all those layers. So I get the price a little bit more than now, but still the size is small. And the horseradish ketchup, it tastes kind of like average ketchup, but with a little more tang and a little more flavor. And caramelized onions just gives another layer of flavor and a deep, rich, and a little sweetness to it. Flavor-wise is good, size-wise, okay. And next from the Studio Catering Co. food truck, I got the Filipino feast burrito, and this looks like a feast, alright. So inside you have pork belly adobo, fried rice, Filipino stir-fry noodles, and a whole lumpia egg roll. It's just like hanging out in the center of the burrito, surrounded by rice, just chilling there. This is 3 Filipino dishes all in one burrito. Yep, this is definitely gonna be a feast. And can't get any better. Yes, they gave a sweet chili sauce to dip it in. Woo! Oh my gosh, rice and noodles all in one burrito. This is insanely good. The noodles are soft and you get this chewy texture. It's not something you normally find in a burrito, and I'm really loving it. And that egg roll, oh my gosh, it's still a little crispy and you get that classic egg roll flavor. I love egg rolls, I love burritos. So egg roll in a burrito, genius. And the pork belly just adds some fattiness and some meat. And the rice is so garlicky. It's so good. And when you dip in that sweet chili sauce, oh, game over. Perfection. Woo. Okay, next up on this holiday food tour, it's Award Wieners. And this place has 2 holiday specials on their menu, and 2 that caught my eye, and 2 that I want to try. So this dessert is called Don't Forget the Milky Cookies. These are battered and deep fried Oreos. And it comes with a peppermint whipped cream that is drizzled with chocolate. And there's little peppermint crushed pieces everywhere. I can literally smell the peppermint from here. This is reminding me of something you'd get at a state fair with the Oreos, but I always want to try fried Oreos. Let's give this a little whipped cream dip. Cheers. The fried batter is just too much. I'd rather have more Oreo flavor and just a little too minty flavor. And another ripoff, this dessert is $11 and you're just getting 2 fried Oreo pieces. Like, Next up is this massive sandwich, and this thing has some weight to it. Let's go. So the Utah carnitas torta is stuffed with carnitas, chorizo beans, cojito cheese, lettuce, golden onions, jalapeno, and guacamole. Comes with the award winner film strip fries. Right off the bat, this looks like it's gonna be big on flavor. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I thought the bread was gonna be kind of tough and like scratch my mouth on the top, but no, it is super soft like a pillow. Your teeth just sink into the bread so easily, and then you get all that yummy filling. The carnitas, it's really tender. The chorizo beans give a really nice smoky flavor. And that guacamole just makes it so creamy. You're getting zest from the pickled onions and the jalapenos. No ingredient stands more higher than the other. Like they all just work together to make a perfect, delicious sandwich. And my last booth for the day is Merry Mashups, and they got some cool things they're cooking up. And I got their holiday mash bowl. Whoa, it's very hot. I can't say this bowl is very small. It is like a little sample. So it's chicken nuggets, cheesy mashed potatoes, turkey gravy with a cranberry stuffing crunch. Okay, let me go in, get some chicken, some potatoes. Oh, whoa, there's so much steam coming out of it. Can you see? Oh wow, the mashed potatoes are cheesier than I expected. I don't really taste any gravy. Maybe it's very light. But what really stands out is that cranberry crunch on top. I think that's my favorite part. It gives a little crunch, a little sweetness, and just makes the whole dish pop. Okay, next up is the holiday M&M eclair. And look at this thing, it is like bright green. It's filled with milk chocolate mousse, topped with green frosting. And then they absolutely dunked M&M minis on top. Oh, that mousse inside is very light. I do wish it was a little more cold. I like eclairs when they're really nice and cold. And the green frosting on top is exactly as you would expect. Super sweet. All that green and M&Ms, yep, you have to try it. I mean, this is a must try here at the holidays. And I could not leave San Fransokyo without getting their clam chowder and a sourdough bread bowl. This looks incredible. This is such a San Francisco classic. You use the bread as a bowl. I mean, genius. So first I'm gonna go in for that nice clam chowder. Ooh, cheers. Yeah, this is a classic for a reason. It's a cold night today, and this hits the spot. It's like having a little, it's like you're in a little nook eating your little bread bowl. Oh yeah, this is nice and creamy, has those potatoes, and then there's a lot of those clams. But what I gotta do now is dip the sourdough bread in the clam chowder soup. That sourdough bread is sour, all right. You can tell it's fermented. This is a good quality of sourdough bread, but the best is when you dip it in the soup. It adds so much more flavor to it. So before we wrap up, the big question is Disney Christmas food actually worth it? For me, yes. Everything I tried was pretty solid, but the booth that completely won me over was favorite things. The pork belly adobo was so good. And from the same booth, the Mickey macaron, it was so cute and so tasty. Those two made it the standout of the whole day. So have yourself a very merry little Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.